Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some Krabby Patties from SpongeBob.
This recipe includes 1 red onion, breadcrumbs, salt, Worcestershire sauce, Impossible ground beef, Dijon mustard, gourmet burger seasoning, black pepper, pickles, smoked paprika, lettuce, 1 tomato, ketchup, yellow mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, sesame buns, and sharp cheddar cheese. In a large bowl, combine half pound of Impossible ground beef, a quarter cup of breadcrumbs, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Drizzle your skillet with avocado oil and turn up to medium-high heat. Have each patty weigh at least 4 ounces and cook on each side for about 3 minutes. And you can't forget to add a dash of that gourmet burger seasoning. Just to let you know, there's a theory saying that Krabby Patties are meatless. So that is where the Impossible ground beef comes from. So it's a vegan burger really. But I'm not exactly saying that's the secret formula because there's more where that came from.
Alright guys, it's time to stack our Krabby Patty. Alright, so we got our bun right here, then our patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onion, lettuce, cheese, tomato, and bun in that order.
And if you're wondering how to say Krabby Patties in Spanish, it's congreburgers.
Alright guys, the iconic Krabby Patty from SpongeBob is ready. I'm gonna try it now, and I won't cap. And to be honest, I'm really curious of how this is gonna taste, because I don't know. Let's see.
Well, little Patty, we're 2 of a kind. We've both lost our luster. So that's what I taste like.
Honestly, this is amazing. And I'm gonna tell you, I really made it like a steak burger. And the seasoning I used, the gourmet seasoning, that really worked out. And I don't know if it's just me, but I think I smell fish. But no, I'm just kidding. Krabby Patty, it kind of reminds me of Steak and Shake a little bit, but a little bit different because of like maybe the spices and stuff like that. But look at the inside of this. Just looking at the inside, you know for a fact that this is gonna be good. And the extra onions, come on, you gotta have onions when it comes to this. And to be honest, I thought it was just gonna be a regular burger, but hey, guess not. I still can't believe how good this is. And the right amount of spices I used really worked out well. You know, all these years, I've really been trying to figure out what the secret formula was.
You delicate little Krabby Patty. With your tasty, juicy, scrumptious, warm, steamy goodness.
Steamy?
I'll never forget your 100% all-secret patty, secretly assembled with undersea cheese, pickle, lettuce, tomato, onion, all secretly steaming between 2 fluffy seaweed seed buns.
Yes.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna tell you the secret formula. So, are you guys ready? Are you sure? Okay, the secret formula is